Hey team! Welcome back, champions of the internet. In this tutorial session, 168 divided by 168, which equals 1, and 168 divided by 168 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 168 divided by 168 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 168 divided by 168, and we can write this part as 1 over 168 divided by 168. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 168 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 168, which equals 1 over 28,224. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends.